Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all of my lovely friends and family. I hope you are in the best state of health and sound iman. Welcome to IWHAT Creative Kitchen. Today, being light ta'ala, I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely roasted tilapia served with roasted yam, plantain and sauce. Let's start with the fish. The fish needs to be clean. It is very important that you clean this black part of your fish, because if you don't clean it, that part of the fish will taste bitter, and I'm very sure you don't want that. The fish was seasoned and marinated overnight. You can find the list of the season on the description section below. Next, I need to start preparing the sauce, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for the sauce. I'm using 1 large onion, 2 medium size of bell pepper, ginger, 6 hot pepper. Actually, this is not hot at all. Garlic. Add everything to the blender and add 1 chopped tomato. Then you chop the pepper. You don't want to blend it. And you put to boil until the water is dry. I'm sorry, I don't have the video of how the pepper was boiled. Anyway, let's get to how the pepper was fried. Add 50 ml of oil to the pan. Add onion. Add your boiled pepper. Add vegetable. This carrot, cabbage. Alhamdulillah, the sauce is ready. The fish is also ready. So let's get the plantain ready. I had a tablespoon of soya pepper, followed by paprika, 1 tablespoon of oil, then I mix well and then put inside the air fryer to roast. I'm sorry, again, I don't have the video of how it was roasted in the air fryer. Alhamdulillah, the yam is also finished roasting. Alhamdulillah, ala kulli ni'mat. This is the end result of my roasted tilapia fish served with roasted yam, plantain and fried sauce. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe. Lots of love. IWHAT.